Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bento for personal branding in 2026. If you want to build a professional online presence and make it easier for people to discover your work, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Bento account. Once you're on the dashboard, open your profile or create a new Bento page if you haven't already. Next, upload a high-quality profile photo and add your name along with a short bio. Clearly describe who you are, what you do, and the value you provide to your audience. Now add links to your most important platforms, such as your website, portfolio, YouTube channel, LinkedIn profile, Instagram, or other social media accounts. Make sure every link is up to date and working properly. Next, arrange your links so the most important ones appear at the top of your page. This helps visitors quickly find your best content or contact information. If Bento offers customization options, choose a theme, colors, and layout that match your personal brand and create a consistent, professional look. Before sharing your page, preview it and test every link to ensure everything works correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. Finally, keep your Bento profile updated by adding new projects, content, or achievements so your audience always sees your latest work. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Bento for personal branding step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.